Here's a budget hotel recommendation that you should book when you are in Iloilo City. Located at the city center? Check. Sobrang accessible sa mga public transpo? Check. May SM sa tapat? Check. At may sariling convenience store? Check na check! Dito lang yan sa Injap Tower Hotel in Iloilo City. You can have a standard hotel room with one single bed and queen-size bed good for 2 to 3 packs. Okay, bed test! 1, 2, 3, go! You can book this on Klook and get even more discounts when you use this promo code. Pandagdag pagkain at pamasahe nyo din yan. Prices may vary depending on your booking dates. Super simple lang ng room pero kumpleto na lahat ng mga kailangan mo dito. Merong free wifi, may cabinet, may safety deposit box, may ref, may sink, may microwave, may TV, may maliit na table, at kita din ang view ng SM Iloilo. At meron ding CR na may shower at may bidet. Meron din silang swimming area which is open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. at the 5th floor, and meron din silang gym if you want to burn all of your excess calories. Meron ding Horizon Cafe sa 21st floor where you can have your breakfast buffet from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. if you book the option with breakfast. At meron din silang mga a la carte meals for lunch or dinner.